296. Challenge. Wraps are off the new Ferrari Challenge contender. The 296 Challenge is the 9th model to be launched in the history of the Ferrari Challenge Trofeo Pirelli. Derived from the 296 GTB, it introduces substantial power unit, aero and vehicle dynamics modifications. First ever 6-cylinder engine in the challenge. The new track model sports a 2,992 cubic centimeters V6 that unleashes up to 700 CV, with a specific power output of 234 CV/L, a new record for the segment. The 296 Challenge will make its debut in the 2024 season, starting with the Europe and North America Series. It was unveiled at the Mugello Circuit during the 2023 Ferrari Finali Mondiali. Scarperia e San Piero, October 28, 2023, Ferrari has unveiled the 296 Challenge, which will make its debut in the 2024 season of the Ferrari Challenge, at the Mugello Circuit during the Finali Mondiali. The new car is the 9th model fielded by Ferrari in the history of its single-make championship, which is now in its 32nd season. The car represents a tangible step forward for the company's single-make series. The progressive improvement in quality and competitiveness of the drivers taking part worldwide meant that the 296 Challenge development team were able to make even more radical modifications to the original model than would have been the case in the past, making full use of Ferrari's unparalleled experience in the motorsport world. Although still very much in the tradition of the cars Ferrari has developed over the years for gentleman drivers, the 296 Challenge draws more on the experience built up with its racing counterpart, the 296 GT3, than previous models, thus also targeting drivers with ambitions for a future in GT racing. The philosophy underpinning the 296 Challenge demanded an evolution of the concept behind the Ferrari Challenge competition model. It represents